this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to calculate sample standard deviation. Before that, let's first talk about sample and population. So imagine that your population of when individual scores, these are the measurements, let's say of height of people. All right. Now, the population characteristic is represented in statistical terms as the population mean will be mu, and the population standard deviation is sigma. Now imagine that you're taking a sample from this population of heights, a sample let's say of size 10. Then you get the sample mean and the sample standard deviation. So we represent the sample mean as x bar and the sample standard deviation as s. All right? So that's the first part of our understanding of sample and population. Now let's talk about the calculation of sample standard deviation. Let's say you have got a sample of size 4 and the measurements are 3, 2, 4, and 7. And you want to calculate the sample standard deviation. Okay, the first thing, you have to calculate the mean. So the sample mean represented as x bar is equal to, so you say 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 divided by 4. And that gives me 16, the sum of these, and divide by 4 is equal to 4. So this x bar or m, the sample mean, is equal to 4. Now for the sample standard deviation, I say first variance s squared is equal to the sum of xi minus x bar square root divided by n minus 1. So what does that mean? Means that I have got the first score is 3 minus 4 square root plus 2 minus 4 square root plus 4 minus 4 square root plus 7 minus 4 square root, and then we divide the whole lot by 4 minus 1. All right. The next step would be to calculate this. So I have got 3 minus 4 is negative 1 square plus negative 2 square plus 0 square plus 3 square divided by 3. This is the variance s square. So it's equal to 1, because negative to the power 2 becomes positive. 1 plus 4 plus 0 plus 9 divided by 3. So s square variance is equal to, this sum is equal to 11 divided by 3, which is equal to 3.66. That is the variance. Now we have to calculate the standard deviation. Square root of 3.66 is equal to 1.915. And this is our standard deviation of S. Okay, so now you know how to calculate variance, sample variance, and sample standard deviation for a small set of numbers.